Cool.
All right, so we played hell trying to get this damn motor loose. Just using the engine hoist like they have here wasn't sufficient because we were getting snagged in the back.
Yeah, it'll tilt and bind on the back bolts.
So yeah,
what are those called? Those bolts?
Hell if I know.
I'm saying
the motor mounts.
The motor mount
bolts.
Yeah, the back motor mount bolts. It angle as we pulled it up just from this one point. So
we were getting bound on. Oh, you can't see that, but
I could probably get them there, but I don't feel like it.
Nah, it doesn't look like we're gonna get it. We were getting bound back here on this corner of the engine. So we tried to lowering it, and it got hung up on the studs that were sticking up.
On the ones that did come out.
So what we ended up doing was pulling these head gasket bolts, putting this little bracket in here on both sides so we could lift the back evenly.
We played Tetris
and the front.
Yeah, we played Tetris with these chains, trying to get them situated in a way that it'd be an evenly distributed pull.
As you can see, it's not pretty, but it's what I had on hand, unfortunately.
And it worked. Check it, it's loose now.
So yeah, make sure you lift from like 3 points at least, even though they say you only need to lift from one.
And jack and wiggle, jack and wiggle, jack and
yeah,
wiggle.
so as we're jacking this up, Bobby's in the back wiggling back and forth,
giving a good push
so the
forward,
engine's rocking to come up off those studs. So now we're loose.
We call them studs, bolts.
Studs, bolts, yeah. So now we're loose. I'm gonna go ahead and hoist it. I'm gonna hand the camera to Bobby.
And I'll try to do my best to keep it. You're still gonna want to come forward as it comes up.
Yeah.
But I'll let you know as you need to. You can
clearance. Check the wires.
What?
Make sure there's nothing connected.
It doesn't look like it. Yeah, come up. Hold on, give me 2 seconds. All right.
Let's go.
Come forward.
I can't come forward, but I'll have to twist and come forward.
You should be able to do that.
Twist and come forward?
Yeah. Go to that angle and come this way. Yep. Now you should. Oh, hold on something. I don't know what holes this is here. Where's the light at? Past that light? Yeah, whatever that is there.
Oh shit. Let's see. Something important probably. Shine the light down here.
I'm trying to get a good angle on it. I don't know if that helps.
Oh, that's a fucking. Whew, that's the P hose. All right, let me lower this engine a little bit.
Yeah, I think that's the only thing. Sorry about the camera angle, guys.
Lowering a little bit.
Yeah, you're good. You're good. You're good to lower. You're loose. It's just that.
Okay.
If you want, you can pull back to give this some slack.
Let's see.
There's one up here, actually.
Huh?
There's one up here, actually. It's a little one. You might want to grab another one. See? Oh no, I got it. Here, you can take over. Cameraman.
Oh, we're using a really small screwdriver here.
Yeah, really tiny screwdriver, but what works. You twist it.
All right,
It's probably old.
Twist and pull.
All right, you
And
here?
we're free.
Twist and pull.
Right.
Take notes, guys. All right.
All right, you got her?
Yeah, as best I can.
You got her? Look, we sound like a bunch of fucking hillbillies.
I got it, bud. Yeah, it looks like everything else has been cut. All right, hold on. We're hitting the top here. We got some technical difficulties. There you go. Keep going. All right, hold on. Let's switch cameraman real quick.
What you got?
I want to move this thing. We're gonna have to pull it maybe this side, and maybe better.
Or let's we can put the boat. We can lift the boat up higher.
We need to drop it. Is what I'm saying. I don't want to raise it so high. We have to take it over this. It's already over this. I just want to pull it out and bring it back.
Oh, well, I was thinking of putting the boat up on another layer. And that way we drop the back end down further.
Yeah, it's still gonna be a lot from here to there.
It's true.
I'm thinking.
Swing it around.
Yep.
Oh yeah, that'll work.
Swing it right around. Foop, foop.
Okay.
But you're gonna have to bring that on this side.
Okay.
So I gotta head myself with passing you the camera.
Oh.
Can you?
No, because I'm I'm half past the pump.
Pull back and I'll hold it forward. That means neither one of us can be cameraman right now, though.
Okay, hold on, camera.
Go sit him somewhere.
Let's see. I'm gonna set you guys right here.
That's a horrible spot because I'm gonna be walking around here.
Okay.
Let me get in position first, and then you can put your camera where you want to put the camera. All right, go that way, out my way first. All right, because I'm pushing forward while you go backwards. Hope you guys can see me. Hey YouTube, I'm famous. How's that shit go? I hope it can see. Go ahead. No, you're fine here. You don't need it to just come around. We don't need to go up no more. That's what I'm trying to do. We don't have to go up no more. You pull back around that.
I gotta die. That ain't gonna work.
Ah, fuck it. Just come around.
I can't.
You can't go back?
Nope.
You can't go back at all. It's not getting count on here. It's all you. I'm not pushing forward no more or anything. You got like a half a foot, if not a foot of space, so you can go back.
Fuck you. That shit ain't even funny. God damn.
Alright, there you go. Whoa, careful now, careful. Alright, we gotta drop it. Apparently there's something else snagging. A red wire, but just drop it a little bit. So much tension on it. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Calm down. I got hyped too. I didn't see it. Alright, go forward. Pull forward, you're scraping all of this. Alright, you good. Alright. Alright, YouTube, apparently there's another. Let's see if I can.
Damn, that's the main fucking power line.
I can't see. You want to show it to the.
Disconnected that a long time ago, but. So, yeah, we got this guy right here. Forgot to disconnect that. As you can see, my wiring harness.
That's my beer.
Cut. Where's your beer?
I'm kidding, I'm kidding.
You got your Corona, sponsored by Corona
Black
Familia. So you can see all these wires. Main wiring harness has been cut.
We're not sponsored, but if they want to sponsor us, you know, don't say no.
So I'm gonna have to replace all that, of course. So I plan on documenting all this stuff. I gotta get a little tripod here. You'll see. This stuff's pretty damn corroded. That switch box, look at that. Gross. Pain in the butt.
What do we need to take that off?
I just need a socket. So.
Something small?
Nope. Actually, no, that's definitely not it.
Want me to get the camera?
Yeah.
Take over for you. I can't wait until we have a tripod. Oh, it's smaller?
Yeah. I think it's a 10 or 11. I think it's an 11
It's
mil.
that guy right there. He's a mother.
11 mil? No, you're wrong.
He's a mother sucker.
$12 mil.
12
millimeter. Snaps this off real quick.